In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if someone sent you money on PayPal. We're going to walk through a simple process that works whether you're using a computer browser or a browser on your phone. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to confirm a payment, instead of just relying on messages or screenshots from the person who says they sent you money. First, you'll need to go to your PayPal dashboard. Open your web browser and type in the official PayPal website address, or use your usual bookmark if you have one saved. Sign into your account with your email and password, as you normally would. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, go ahead and complete that step as well. Once you're signed in, you should land on your account summary page, also known as your PayPal dashboard. This is the main overview of your account. Here you can usually see your current PayPal balance, any recent activity, and shortcuts to different sections of your account. If you don't see this page right away, look for a link or a tab labeled something like Summary or Dashboard at the top of the screen and click that. From your dashboard, the next thing you want to do is open your activity page. At the top of the screen, you should see a menu with several options. Look for the one that says Activity and click on it. This is the section where PayPal shows a detailed history of everything that has happened with your account. Money you've received, money you've sent, refunds, recurring payments, and so on. After you click on Activity, you'll see a list of your recent transactions in chronological order. To check if someone sent you money, look through this list for a payment that matches the amount they said they sent and the date or the name associated with their PayPal account. Incoming payments are usually clearly marked as money received or payment received. If you have a lot of transactions and it's hard to scroll through them all, you can usually filter or search by date, transaction type, or even by name or email. Use these filters to narrow things down and make it easier to find the specific payment you're looking for. And that's it. By going to your PayPal dashboard, then opening the activity page, you can quickly and reliably confirm whether someone has